Saya atas nama Agun Permatasari, NIM C1K018-002, Program Studi Budidaya Perairan, Fakultas Pertanian, Jurusan Perikanan dan Ilmu Kelautan, Universitas Mataram. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan menyampaikan review jurnal yang telah saya ambil dari dosen pengampu saya mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris 2, yaitu saya memilih Journal of Community Innovation. Jurnal ini diterbitkan pada bulan Juli 2020. Langsung saja kita masuk ke judulnya, ialah Water Recirculation for Optimizing Aquaculture Water Quality Nirvana Tilapia Oreochromis niloticus Cultivation, di mana artikel ini ialah membahas tentang resirkulasi air untuk bagaimana mengoptimalisasi kualitas air budidaya pada ikan nila nirwana atau dengan nama latin Oreochromis niloticus. Pada penelitian ini terdapat dua peneliti, yaitu Safira Rahma Fauzia dengan Happy Heri Suseno. Jadi kita langsung saja masuk ke abstrak yang membahas tentang keseluruhan dari isi penelitian atau jurnal ini, ialah Water is a living medium for aquatic organism, di mana air merupakan media hidup dari organisme akuatik. Water plays an important role in aquaculture. Air ini nantinya sangat berperan penting dalam melakukan kegiatan budidaya perikanan atau budidaya aquaculture. Good water quality will determine the survival of the fish that are cultivated. Recirculation is one of the efforts to maintain water quality and overcome water problem in aquaculture ponds in Sukadamai Village. This activity was carried out in RW4 Sukadamai Village, the Dramaga District, Bogor Resensi, which aimed to analyze the use of recirculation to maintain water quality. Kegiatan penelitian ini dilaksanakan di RW 4, Desa Sukadamai, Kecamatan Dramaga, Kabupaten Bogor, dengan tujuan untuk menganalisa bagaimana pemanfaatan resirkulasi pada kualitas perairan di daerah tersebut. Next, this activity was carried out on Friday. Kegiatan aktivitas atau penelitian ini dilakukan pada hari Jumat, Februari 28, 2020 at Mr. Nadish House, RW 4 Sukadamai Village, Dramaga District, Bogor, Resensi, West Java. This activity was carried on Friday, dilaksanakan pada hari Jumat, pada bulan Februari, tanggal 28, pada tahun 2020, yang dilaksanakan di rumah Pak Nadi, di rumahnya Pak Nadi, di RW 4, Sukadamai, Dramaga, Bogor, Jawa Barat. The methods of data collection is by means of interview and analysis descriptive. The result of this activity showed that the quality of the water in the aquaculture pond of Sukadamai Village is quite good because it directly uses natural springs. Recirculation can be used to overcome the problem of the distance of the water source from the cultivation location so that the water can be eroded. The use of filter can optimize the recirculation system in the Sukadamai Village aquaculture ponds. The consolation is that the problem of water quality is not fulfilled by cultivation is Sukadamai Village. Adapun keyword dari penelitian ini ialah tilapia, water quality, recirculation. Kita masuk ke introduction. Sebenarnya pada abstrak tadi sudah mencakup keseluruhannya, tapi di sini saya akan membahas pada introduction-nya lagi. Fish are organisms with the hygroscopic level in a water. Fish survival is influenced by physical, chemical, and biological factors. The aquaculture environment is an important factor for the survival of aquatic organisms. Fish are organisms that live in aquatic environment, but both in fresh, brackish, and managed waters. Fish was various types with different morphology and body characteristics. Change in environmental conditions always also to the influence of human activity of natural change. Unstable environmental conditions affect change in aquatic organisms both directly and indirectly. Water is an important variable because water is a medium for fish to live. Parrotfish or Chlamys niloticus, including freshwater fish with good self-adaptation quality, so that it becomes a superior commodity for aquaculture in Indonesia. These aquatic organisms are the same as freshwater fish in general, which breed using gills operculum. Oke, kita langsung masuk aja ke the quality of a water is an important requirement that can affect the survival of the development, growth, and level of fish production. A good environment is necessary for the survival of aquatic organisms. Several parameters to determine water quality are temperature, pH, DO, CO, blackness and hardness, and salinity. This activity aims to analyze the application of recirculation and good water quality for aquaculture in Sukadamai Village. An activity implementation method, aktivitas bahan atau metodenya yang dilakukan, atau waktu dan tempat. This activity was held on Friday. Kegiatan ini dilaksanakan pada hari Jumat, Februari 28, 2020, pada tahun 2020. Bertepatan pada pukul 3 o'clock, pada pukul 3 sore hari, di rumah Mr. Nadis House, RW 4 Sukadamai Village, Dramaga District, Bogor, Regency West Java, Jawa Barat. The method of carrying out activity is carried out by observation, collecting data by observation and interview with relevant informant. The respondent for data collection was only one person, namely Mr. Nadi, a Nirvana tilapia, farmer in Sukadamai Village. The cause of the respondent is Mr. Nadi because he is activity cultivator and is well now in Sukadamai Village, and the scale of his cultivation is quite large. Processing and analyzing data using descriptive quality data analysis. Okay, next, result and discussion, hasil dan pembahasan. Langsung saja kita masuk ke hasil. This commodity cultivated by Mr. Nadi are ornamental shrimp, several types of ornamental fish, and Nirvana tilapia. The problems experienced by Mr. Nadi during his cultivation activity were regarding water quality, distance, spring, and capital. Water quality is very important in fish cultivation because water is a living medium for fish that greatly determine the survival of the fish that are cultivated. The water quality parameters are temperature, GO, pH, CO, brackish, and ammonia. Change in water quality can also due to natural process. However, changes in water quality are also often the result of human action. Comparison of temperature fluctuation in aquaculture ponds and good temperature fluctuation according. Next, the temperature used for Nirvana tilapia cultivation in Mr. Nadi aquaculture pond is an average of around 27 until 29 derajat Celsius, according to Tantangin et al. 2013. A good temperature to support optimal fish growth in the cultivation of freshwater fish such as tilapia and carp is 28 derajat Celsius. Temperature play an important role in determining fish growth. This shows that the water temperature in Sukadamai village is quite good for cultivation activity. The next parameter is the pH of the water. The pH value the pH value is an indicator of the acidity of a water. A good pH value for fish breeding and growth is 7 until 8. pH value that are too low and too high can interfere with fish life. The pH of the waters in the aquaculture pond of Sukadamai village is stable and does not fluctuate too drastically, so that it can be said to be good for fish survival. Salinity is the amount of salt that contained in water. The recirculation used is very simple. Namely, the residual water from ornamental shrimp cultivation is used for arowana tilapia cultivation. The recirculation system is a way to maintain optimal water quality during high density fish rearing in Sukadamai village cultivation ponds. Optimal filtration has not been appealed. According to respondents, water circulation is carried out using not been appealed. Using a filter, namely julite, then the wasted fish feed is used as organic fertilizer of plants. Filtration is filtering using a filter. Water that contains impurities is filtered using a filter to produce clean water that can be reused. One of the filter materials that can be used is bubble and breeding ground of bacteria net the two process toxins in water. Adapun kesimpulan dari penelitian ini ialah conclusion. Water quality is very important to fish farming. Water is a medium for fish to live, and this quality must be maintained. The water quality is Sukadamai village is good enough for arowana tilapia cultivation. Oreochlamys niloticus. Several parameters to determine the quality of a water are temperature, pH, salinity, dissolved oxygen, and ammonia. A good recirculation system is one way to maintain water quality. The recirculation system is Sukadamai village needs to be developed again by using good and correct filter and filtration techniques to optimize water quality and can overcome the problem of difficult access to water sources that are far from the cultivation location. Adapun kesimpulan yang dapat diambil dari penelitian tadi, yang terdapat 2 penelitian tadi, ialah di mana kualitas air ini merupakan hal yang sangat penting bagi budidaya ikan atau biota-biota akuatik. Air ini merupakan media tempat hidup ikan dan harus tetap dijaga nanti kualitasnya. Di mana kualitas perairan di Desa Sukadamai itu dia sudah cukup baik untuk budidaya ikan nila arwana atau Oreoclamis niloticus. Kemudian adapun beberapa parameter untuk menentukan kualitas suatu perairannya, yaitu yang diukur ialah suhu, pH, salinity, dan amonia, serta oksigen pelarutnya. Dengan dilakukannya sistem resirkulasi di Desa Sukadamai, perlu dikembangkan lagi dengan penggunaan filter dan teknik filtrasi yang baik dan benar untuk mengoptimalisasikan kualitas air dan dapat mengatasi masalah sulitnya akses sumber mata air yang jauh dari lokasi budidaya. Sekian yang bisa saya sampaikan, lebih dan kurangnya saya mohon maaf. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.